Guys, welcome back. I've planned for a grill with the mutton because I was at work for the Eid duties, and after I finish Eid duty, today is my off, and let's plan for a grill in the house. And we're going to place them in the foil, yeah? Let it get mixed nicely. We are placing the mutton now, and we will keep it in a way like it should get totally cooked. I'm going to make them square shape. I will keep it 50 and 50 both sides, so it will be prepared inshallah. We'll keep it for 50 minutes. We'll change it. One of my brother is here today, and we have prepared the mutton. I'm going to open it. Let's see how it's cooked. Yalla sir.